Overcome your symptoms of tinnitus with these ideas. Many people assume that tinnitus is a condition they just have to live with. They just accept the ringing in their ears as a given that they have to simply endure, but this is not so. Read on into this video for tips and tricks to use in minimizing and managing this condition. If ringing begins to occur in your ears, do not panic but remain calm. Fortunately, tinnitus is more typically an annoyance than it is associated with any type of serious underlying problem. Visit a doctor to get a diagnosis and possibly some advice on treating the condition. Plug your ears whenever you head to the pool, if you suffer from tinnitus. Water easily enters your ears when you go swimming, and this can exacerbate your tinnitus symptoms, if you're afflicted with this condition. Even though it seems ridiculous, try wearing earplugs in the shower. When tinnitus starts to bother you, it's time to get up and do something. Find an activity which can get your mind off the sound, like washing the dishes or running the vacuum. Not only will this help you to get past the annoyance and get back to what you were doing, but you'll leave your home a little cleaner. Look for a local or online support group with others who have tinnitus. No matter how much your friends and family try to be supportive, there is nothing to compare with someone who really understands what living with tinnitus is like because they have it, too. When you join a support group, you will find you can share tips and ideas with others who are living through the same experience as you are. As stated earlier in this piece, a lot of sufferers of tinnitus assume there is nothing that can be done about this annoying condition. However, now that you have read these tips, you know that there are steps you can take soon for relief. Employ them in the coming days to hear a clearer future. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.